Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download ONLYFANS on Android, including some tips and tricks and also, what to do to download it directly to your phone. Now before we dive in, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tips and tricks. And if you find this video helpful, give it a like. It really helps the channel grow. Okay, so you want to get ONLYFANS on your Android device? The official app isn't available on the Google Play Store, but don't worry, there's still a way. In this video, we will guide you through installing ONLYFANS in a way that is very similar to the original experience. First, we will look at how to add a web page to your home screen, and after that, we'll talk a bit about using third-party apps as an alternative.
Let's get started. Scène change. Screen recording begin. Okay, first things first, open your favorite web browser on your Android device.
This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. Now in the address bar, type in the ONLYFANS website address, onlyfans.com. Go to the website. Once the website loads, look for the three dots in the top right corner. Tap on those dots to open the browser menu. In the menu, you should find an option that says something like Add to Home Screen or Install App. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your browser. Tap on that option. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm that you want to add the ONLYFANS website to your home screen. You can also usually rename the shortcut at this point. For example, you could call it ONLYFANS. Once you're happy, tap Add. Your browser might give you an extra confirmation, asking if you want to automatically add shortcuts to the home screen in the future. Choose the option that suits you best. Now, go back to your Android home screen. You should see the ONLYFANS icon, similar to any other app icon. Tap on it, and it will open the ONLYFANS website directly within a dedicated window, making it look and feel like an actual app. Scene change. And that's it. You've successfully added ONLYFANS to your Android device. You'll get an experience very similar to the official application. Now let's talk quickly about third-party apps. There are many apps that can access ONLYFANS content, but you need to be very careful. Make sure the app is from a trusted developer and has good reviews. Downloading unknown apps can expose your device to malware and security risks. We strongly recommend using the method we just showed you, which is the safest and easiest option. Remember to always be careful when sharing personal information online, and only use trusted websites and apps. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to Rome Tips for more awesome tips and tricks. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.